If you're renewing your Microsoft Enterprise Agreement, here's something to watch closely. Software assurance isn't what it used to be. Over the last few years, Microsoft has phased out key SA benefits. Training vouchers, gone. 24/7 support cases via SA, retired. Planning services, replaced. So if your team relied on those perks, your new EA may deliver less value at the same price. Here's what to do about it. 1. Review what you've actually used. Look back at your last term. Did your IT teams use training days? Rely on SA support incidents? Take advantage of the home use program? List those out. 2. Negotiate replacements. If training vouchers are gone, ask for free training sessions, Microsoft certifications, or partner-led workshops bundled into your EA. If SA no longer gives you support cases, push for a discount on unified support or a custom support package to fill the gap. 3. Push for alternative value. Some companies negotiate Azure credits, extra product licenses, or even free consulting hours as compensation. 4. Lock in what still matters. Upgrade rights, license mobility, and version access still live under SA. Make sure they're clearly documented in your new EA. Final advice? Don't assume SA still means what it did 3 years ago. Ask, what's changed, and what's Microsoft offering in return? You may not get a discount on paper, but you can absolutely ask for equivalent value in other areas, because if you're paying the same price, you deserve the same or better value.